Okay, so I have a logarithmic equation, and my directions are solve for t. So when I look inside here, t is in the argument of my ln. Okay? So, first things first, it's a type 2 logarithmic equation, which means I only have a log and a bunch of numbers. Or you could have a few other logs. Type 2 is normally when you have numbers as well as logarithms. So the plan for that is to always get your log, with whatever the argument is, equal to a number, and then you're going to change that into exponential form. So it'd be your base raised to this guy equals your argument. So that's our plan. Alrighty. So first things first, I gotta get my log by itself equal to a number. Okay, so let's see. I have 92 and then minus k that are hanging out. So what I'll do is I'll subtract the 92, and I get s minus 92 equals negative k natural log t plus 1. Okay, now I still got to get my natural log by itself, so divide by k, negative k, and I get s minus 92 over negative k equals the natural log of t plus 1. Okay, so I'm going to change this to make it look a little bit better. I'm going to first use the building up technique just to get that negative out of my denominator. So it's a 92 minus my positive minus my s all over k equals, and I'm just going to change that into the log form. So it's log base e t plus 1. And just to make this look like my picture up there, I'll just switch them on the equation side. Okay, this is perfectly equal to that. Okay, so now I have it into that perfect form, and I'm going to change it into the exponential form. So my base raised to this guy will give me this as my answer. So I have e to the 92 minus s, pretty big, k power equals t plus 1. To solve for t, I will minus the 1, and I get e 92 minus s all over k equals t. Now, because this is a logarithmic equation, I'm going to have to check to make sure that t, when plugged into my argument, does not make it negative. So my argument is t plus 1, so I have t plus 1. When I plug in the value for t, I get e to the 92 minus s over k, oop, that's a minus 1, minus 1 plus 1. So when I add this out, I get e to the 92 minus s over k, minus 1 plus 1, okay, that's gone, and this is a positive power. So t equals 92 e to the 92 over s, k minus 1. And that's the exponent of e.